If you blinked, you missed the gold and silver pullback. Hey YouTube, Blurt Media, BitChute, Rumble, Odyssey. It's Drutter, and today is the 27th of January 2026, probably the 28th of January for you. And I'm going to look at a few charts. This is the silver chart to start with. Where's that pullback? Everybody is saying, crash, get out, run. Where? This is the weekly chart, so each of these is a week, and as you can see, it's only a couple of days into the week, maybe 2.5 days, depending on how you calculate it, but it's not even half of a week yet, and that's already where we are. And this crash supposedly happened this week. You'd have to look on the daily chart to see it, and actually maybe even the hourly chart to really see it. I'm not going to pull that up right now, but no, there hasn't been a significant pullback. I've been thinking there would be a pullback for a while since we came out of that last cup and handle formation around 80. I thought somewhere between here and 100 there would be, but there hasn't been really. There was a couple of pauses, a couple of down days, but no, there hasn't been a significant pullback yet, and this is no difference. Yesterday, Zero Hedge, for their very top main article, in fact it was a paid premium article, was called Silvergeddon. That's a little alarmist. It's not even a partial correction. It's not a pullback, a correction, not even a dip. It's nothing. And it's already regained it. It's had a very good day today and regained almost everything. It's almost back to making new all-time highs. Now if we look over at gold, it is making new all-time highs actually. Its correction is now completely erased and forgotten, and it's off to the races again on a rocket. So what I think is going to happen is that's going to continue, is gold will pull silver up for a while, and then silver will pop through some barrier or through its last little peak or whatever it made, and then that'll go to all-time highs, and that'll rocket up, and that'll pull gold up, and gold will move through major levels like 5,500. It'll just push right through there or whatever. And I think they're just going to keep on doing that for now, because what caused all this has not been fixed. It's not over. And so unless something very, very strange happens, this is going to continue on for some time. This is not this is just a sign of what's wrong in the economy. It's not a cause of problems itself. Gold and silver going up is like it's a measuring stick. It's like getting angry at a ruler for measuring something and it being too long or short. It's like, I'm angry at you, ruler. It's like being angry at gold and silver for this is ridiculous. And some people are probably going to try and blame gold and silver for the economic collapse that is happening, but they are merely warning us of it. That's all that's happening. And I don't know who's paying attention, because I think it's a lot of just banks and governments that are buying gold, massive amounts, and silver, and huge corporations, huge amounts of silver and gold, physical. And a lot of people are, the common guy is actually selling. A lot of people are selling their little trinkets and their ounces and stuff, but no, it's going much, much higher. This is only the beginning. This is absolutely only the beginning. Sure, there will be pullbacks, absolutely, but if you're selling to just buy back at a pullback, well, maybe okay, but you better be lucky, because these pullbacks, they're short-lived, and not very many of them. So we're already moving back to all-time highs again after this supposed pullback, this supposed Silvergeddon. Shit just did not happen. Silver's at 115 US, 156 Canadian. 52.66 and change US for gold, and 71.55 Canadian. All-time highs. And now we can move to the gold to silver ratio chart. This is a weekly chart as well. Each of these candles is 1 week, and that's the last week there. It actually touched 44 or so, almost, I think, 43, but definitely 44 yesterday. And now it has kind of normalized a bit more back down to 46 currently. But 46, last time I talked to you, which was only, like I said, on the weekend, was gold to silver ratio was 48. So we've come down already another couple of points, and we were talking about how at 100 I bought a tube of silver maples, and then at 25 to 1 I'm going to trade it into 1 ounce of gold. So I will have bought that 1 ounce of gold for about 1,200 Canadian dollars. And I'm more than halfway there now. It's down from 100, got to get to 25. I'm down to 46 now. So stay tuned for that. But that's the gold to silver chart, that gold to silver ratio chart. It's just continuing lower as this market continues to head higher. There's no pullback, at least not yet. One more thing. When did you get into stacking gold or silver or both? No need to get into specific details if you don't want to. I'm just interested. It's a good topic of conversation in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and talk to you soon.